The Clubhouse program is a program to help people get back to work and finish their education.
The Clubhouse is a psychosocial rehabilitation program where adults with mental illness can come and work on various goals, whether it's employment, going back to school, working on socialization. And we have a lot of members that come here that struggle to even leave their house. So coming to the Clubhouse and working on a schedule and being expected to be somewhere and getting that chance to work on some skills. The Clubhouse is important because it gives people with mental illness the opportunity to be real people.
Most of society is out in the community going back to work and are working, and so they want to feel like they're connected to the community and go back to work like anyone else.
The Transitional Employment Program, we contract with different employers in the community, and the purpose of that program is to a stepping stone into independent employment. Each position lasts 6 to 9 months, and then we transition a new member in. And the big thing with the Transitional Employment Program is each position has a placement manager, which is staff here at the program, and they go in, they learn the job first, and then they bring the members in and train them. So there's no additional training cost for the employer. We have very strict standards here of, we like to see people here involved in our program and seeing how they're doing with their mental health before we would even think of putting them in to a position. So we always say that our interview process here is much more difficult than it would ever be for them to get the job out in the real world. We fill in for members when they can't come in if they're sick or whatever. We fill in for free.
They know they can count on us, and it will always be there.
Sam is one of our strongest member leaders. I don't know what we would do without him. He has come a very long way.
When I first came here, I was very standoffish, very aggressive.
He was very defiant, did not want to be here, was made to come here, was living in a group home, very different from the Sam that I know today.
It's helped me not only get a grasp on mental illness as a whole, but my mental illness. I did the TE program, which was very helpful, knowing that I could do this.
He was put in a position that was a good fit for him, that he enjoyed, because I don't think it would have been successful if we put him into a job that he wasn't passionate about or that he didn't get along with the people.
Sam was a delight to work with. Personality, him and I, we click. We like the same subjects.
Dave is a great person. I found that, I had a lot in common with the people who were working there.
Sam just was the greatest guy we've ever had from this program.
Even though it was hard work, it was fun to be around those people. It was fun to work. It was good to know I could get out and work.
The Transitional Employment Program helped him realize what his goals were.
It offered me a chance of confidence. The skills I think I already had, but I didn't know if they were good enough.
He was very intuitive to what you wanted him to do.
He did such a great job that the next time around for the seasonal position, they asked him to come back. And I think that he really enjoyed that atmosphere.
I've worked with him for 2 Christmas seasons. I can't say enough good about Sam. Sam is the man.
I think overcoming stigma is people giving us the opportunity and really seeing that what they see on TV or what they've been taught isn't real. Yes, people struggle with mental illness every day, but that doesn't mean that they don't have capabilities.
They're actually wanting to learn something and benefit themselves and the people they're working for.
People who come out of this program definitely care about their work. They care about the TEs that they've done. They care about the success that they've gotten from those TEs. Realize that we have a chance to not only help you, but also fulfill people's dreams.
Personally, out of experience, I met Sam and have learned to work with people with disabilities. I never had to do that before, and I think it's helped me in the long run just make a better person out of me.